2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 times 4 is 16, and as a result, 16 divided by 16 is 1. But this answer is not correct because we didn't follow the order of operations. The rule that comes to our aid here is the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a simple way to remember the order of mathematical operations. The letter P stands for parentheses. The letter E stands for exponents. The letters M and D stand for multiplication and division. And finally, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So in short, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Before solving the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. According to the order of operations, PEMDAS, we must first solve inside the parentheses. 2 plus 2 is 4, and the expression becomes 16 divided by 4 times 4. In the new expression, we have division and multiplication, which we solve from left to right. So 16 divided by 4 is 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. Now let's move on to a more complex problem. The question is, 7 squared minus 14 divided by 7 times 3. According to the order of operations, PEMDAS, we first solve the exponent. 7 squared is 49, and the expression becomes 49 minus 14 divided by 7 times 3. In the new expression, it's time for multiplication and division, which we solve from left to right. So 14 divided by 7 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Finally, 49 minus 6 equals 43. If you want to get smarter every day, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.